In the silent, crushing blackness of the deep, a lone diver's light cuts through the abyss, revealing a world unseen by human eyes for an age. The beam sweeps across the barren ocean floor, catching on something unnatural, something out of place. Slowly, the shape resolves itself from the gloom, a metal behemoth consumed by the sea. It's a GMC Yukon Denali. Its once proud frame now a grotesque sculpture of rust and marine growth. Barnacles and seaweed cling to every surface, obscuring the lines of a vehicle that has become a forgotten relic. For decades, it has rested here, a steel carcass in a watery grave, its story lost to the crushing pressure and the ceaseless, silent currents. The day it returned to the surface was a spectacle of brute force against nature's grip. A massive salvage ship anchored above the wreck, its powerful cranes groaning under the immense strain. Chains thick as a man's arm were carefully secured, and with a surge of hydraulic power, the SUV began its slow ascent from the deep. As it breached the waves, the ocean seemed reluctant to let go, cascading from every shattered window and rusted-out cavity in a torrent of salt water and decay. On the deck, the full extent of the damage was horrifying. Rust fell away in large, crumbling flakes, revealing a structure that seemed more whole than metal. No one who witnessed its retrieval believed it could be anything more than a heap of scrap, a lost cause destined for the junkyard. The journey from ruin to royalty began in a state-of-the-art workshop, where a team of master craftsmen embarked on what seemed an impossible task. The restoration was a painstaking war against corrosion. The initial phase was a brutal teardown, with every rusted panel, every seized bolt, and every corroded wire methodically removed. High-pressure washers blasted away decades of oceanic grime, stripping the chassis down to its wounded skeletal core. The engine, a frozen block of rust, was meticulously disassembled, each component either painstakingly refurbished or replaced. The interior, a swampy mess of rotted leather and disintegrated plastic, was gutted entirely. Sparks flew as welders grafted new steel onto the frame, rebuilding its strength piece by piece. Slowly, methodically, the Yukon was reborn. The team worked with the precision of surgeons, their hands bringing life back to the dead machine. The bare metal body was prepped and then coated in layers of primer before receiving its final finish, a deep, lustrous black that seemed to drink in the light. The interior was completely handcrafted, with supple new leather stretched over rebuilt seats and a new dashboard fitted with modern technology, seamlessly integrated into the classic design. New headlights like brilliant eyes were installed, along with gleaming chrome trim and custom wheels that gave the reborn SUV a powerful, modern stance. Side-by-side shots showed the shocking contrast. A decrepit, sea-eaten wreck transformed into a flawless, showroom-quality masterpiece. This is more than a restoration, it's a resurrection. The final reveal is nothing short of breathtaking. Under the warm golden glow of a setting sun, the resurrected GMC Yukon Denali glides along a scenic coastal highway. The flawless black paint reflects the sky like a dark mirror, its powerful engine purring with a quiet confidence. Every angle captures a story of defiance, a testament to the vision and skill that brought it back from the brink. It's a symbol of transformation, proving that even what is lost and forgotten can be reclaimed and made perfect once more. This is not just a car, it's a legend reborn, a triumph of human ingenuity against the relentless decay of time and tide.